Welcome back to your channel, my people. It's your channel, Speak My Mind Entertainment TV, you know. What's up? Bleaky day, my people. As I said to you earlier, it's a time and season, you know. It's a stormy season. It's October, you know. So we just have to there and brace ourselves for the weather each time because we go through a long period of heat, boy. I mean, I tell you, even now that it's the time for the weather, you have times of the day them still act like a fire car. Even now that the place is so bleaky, you still feel a heat where project out, you know? Well, some parts of the country, we never have no rain yesterday because yesterday I hear that Portmore didn't have no rain, and I see where Portmore is getting some rain today, you know? So, we need it, but some people, when them even need it, it will cause havoc for some of them. Yeah, man. It will cause havoc. Even just look at the other day, since week with that house. I was somewhere up by St. Andrew, I think Stone Hill side, where the house collapsed. You know, 2 twin baby. Unfortunately, one never survived, and the mother run out with one, and I think another bigger child, you know. And yes, my people, so as me I say, you know, sad story, boy, sad story. And despite building code might not up to standard and stuff like that, and you don't know, people want a place to live, them just choose anyway. Them now look on the risk, and them now look on the consequence. You understand? Because basically, hey, sometimes I drive all of them place there, you know, not only this, you know, but when I go to a certain parish and I see me on one top of one place, so then call hilltop or whatsoever, and I look down on where then call precipice. Me could have never build a house down there, so, you know, where vehicle and truck and car drive a top, you know. What about if mistake and me in my house asleep hours and night and things come over for me? Me don't want to meet them the charges there. So some places, some people build some place, I agree, desperate needs, but me not like see it. You see danger mark on it. Some people will say, look how them people did us for 20 years now and nothing happen. Yeah, you might not be the lucky one. Puss and dog not have the same luck. But it's so sad, my people, you know? So sad, the house crumble down. I don't know if you don't see it, who overseas see it, but the local people must see it. House just collapse. I mean, I talk about board house, you know, concrete structure, but just not properly put up foundation wise and them something there. And then the rain know what we are talking about. Saturate the ground and get the ground so soft that it just take time break and the house just collapse because of not a poor foundation. So we are get the rain and we got faith because the sun beat for nearly some 8 months, if no more. But even some of the people that really want the rain, I know they might get too much or them want it, but them not want it because them know the flooding and the, you know, what it will cost. But anyway, my people, that's not really what me the day after, but you know, don't know, do the do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember the backup channel. Continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Tomorrow you don't know. Open topic Thursday. You know, 9:30. Based on the traffic on YouTube, it might extend. I might extend the time half an hour later or probably an hour. Yeah, you know. So just continue to support. Remember the cash app pin. You ask for it, you get it. $, Life is a Mission TV. Pin in the comment section. Likewise, the Young Entrepreneur College student, our YouTube channel also pin in the comment section. Go and support her. Help herself go through college instead of depending solely on relatives, friends, and families. Alright? People, me not come for stay long. Probably that's why I did that entry there, so just to kill some time on the video. But you see, me see the Jamaican cartoon come out in defense of his statement that he made in a video he has posted, or a live that he has done. And him come out in defense like him just take people for fool. And these are the people where beat down the higher society people them. People in government, rich people, we own them big company and establishment. These are the same persons like him will come out, you understand, and bash people like those for taking advantage of the situation, pretend like they love their beloved country, birthland, Jamaica, when they're just doing this thing for probably clout. Because you couldn't be that same person. We're going to come out and bash other people in an indirect way when we know exactly what you're doing, who you're pointing fingers at, and what you're saying. Right? But you have the heart and the audacity to come out and do a video again to clear the air that you wasn't talking that woman a mountain view. And you do this because you were speaking of a few other, smaller fries, which you use that to cover the bigger picture, the bigger point, and the bigger person who you want to point your finger on. So when the backlash come or people come out, come talk, whether you matter the backlash or not, you're your own big man, you have your own platform. But when it comes out, at least you can have defense to say, how did just choose that woman? How she alone the charity? Look at what charity, some people come in and comment and come in and comment. Look at what charity they are Christiana. Look at what this. There's a lot of charity. They all about in Jamaica, we know. But which charity is the most established charity in Jamaica? Which charity? Which platform holder that runs a charity in Jamaica that has a big house exposed to social media were recently built? Where someone say she not have it before, I want to come in a phone, come get one have and whatsoever. Which platform holder out here take them phone and go around and video people and video the conditions of people? Which platform holder out here that run charity that words are out that they're them rich now because them wealthy, because all them good deeds appear off, in them business and whatsoever they do, the support that they are getting from the mass of people who believe in them, in what they were doing where charity is concerned. Which platform holder out here you can find pan away from Donna Marigo? Not even food for the poor. Not even Father Olang. Not even Salvation Army. A long time I didn't hear about them the place there. Long time. I know hear about Salvation Army and food for the poor. You know how long I see them they donate not even a house. And when I grew up at the biggest name them the food for the poor Salvation Army. Which Salvation Army is one of the only organization where me feel like I take my money and get anytime. Yeah. But you know how long I not hear about them. So all I want to idiot and fool we in a phone make the same mania we chastise government who is at the head and people in a society and who have them business, say how them a deal with poor people and how them treat poor people and how them have like with dons and how them this and them that are the same thing him come on and try pound. Because all of what me just say, you don't need this. This is a reading glass, but you don't need no test glass where the lens big and the way out here so. You see what I talk about and know what I talk about. and who him a talk about. Him just put some little small fries over it for shield. What him a say? But we no idiot. So all of you will follow him. I'm afraid to see the truth or want to be biased. Or because you don't feel like you is loyal to him. Platform. You being fooled by him or fooled by yourself because you can't fool with you know. You understand? And all of you on the outside, we might be neutral. We are going in a comment section and I said this and I said that. And I said never call no name. Nobody know if you call no name. If somebody come out and say, boy, no sir, Jamaica now run good. And the man who run the country. No sir. Who run the country? Who are the head of government? Andrew Wellness. So if you go around and say, boy, Jamaica now run good, and something if it happen, you have to come out come say you never call no name. It is plain. You don't have to call no name. The statement alone where you make, I've said it all. So don't come out here like you want to, blindfold the people them and lead them in a way because you feel like, say, boy, them not have no up here, so. Which is the same thing you chastise government and other people for, say them treat poor people and ghetto people and people that on a hole like that. When that you come out, come and do. So Jamaican cartoon, you can't come out for another video. Come ball. Leave the woman out of this man. I don't have nothing. And this woman don't have nothing. Wait. Yes. And this is why a lot of people surprised. Because them don't see you and this woman having anything, no form of beef. There's a lot of people who come out, which I see it more one time, yes, you come out and you praise her and think for what she do. And a lot of people say you have done it more than one time, where you come out and you praise her, and people shall wash her foot and drink the water and whatsoever. But in saying that no means say, when you come now and say on your video, I got differentiate whether you're against her or you're not against her. Because, it take a second for somebody's mind just get corrupt. It take a second for somebody just get bad mind against you and jealous at you. You understand? People can just come across you when you feel like you care for and just put things in your head and you just switch. So all the way you have been saying in the past and bigging up this woman, it no mean say, what you're saying in your video, I couldn't see your talk. Because all evidence point pan she. So don't feel like say we out here and we sit down and all of we are idiot, and all of we are fool, and all of we dunce. And majority of who out here we dunce, we street smart. Majority of who out here we dunce, we have sidewalk knowledge. And right now, a street smart and sidewalk knowledge are run things. You understand? You notice majority of the people them in life right now we kind of elevate to a certain standard. And even when you check some of the long time people them back then too, we elevate and reach certain way in a life. Them tell you where them a come from. Them never have no educational background. And what do you remember what? Me I watch what I hear a man say. When him left high school, him don't have no subject. None. I don't quite remember what. And right now, him in one of the biggest companies in the world. I work as some head of the company. Because what? Despite him never have no education of such, no graduate with no CXC from no high school, him ambition when him did have, him realize him want to go somewhere. And probably him find himself the opportunity when he can go back to school. I think overseas him did end up. And him do that and when him reach. So most times some people don't, and because they want to, because of the lack of opportunity. You understand? Where education is concerned and for maintain, the whole school system and for move from stages to stage, especially when you leave high school. And this is why I say, when we see a student want elevate and want to go further in a life, especially the young people them, we left high school and want to go on to college or university. Whatever we can do for pool resources, for assist in whatever way them reach out. Let's reach out to them. Because sitting and talking about we want change and we want change in Jamaica, we want change in the world, and we want change here. So if we don't try to pool resources to help people, our kids who are growing up, who we see with potential, that want to make a change, that change will never come. And it will never come because of the resources, the lack of resources. You understand? No rich family. No family with money, strong collaterals. So how that child is going to make it to university? Student, when I tell you about one bag of stipulation, one at the time them me like them say them stop lending loan because too much money out there. One bag of this and one bag of that. If you even borrow the loan, you have to have collaterals to put up things to put up front. And when you put up your things up front now, after you left university, it take you all 5 years to get a job. A man left a degree, diploma, PhD and end up a gas station a squeeze pump. End up in a supermarket a pack shelf. Because what? He have to survive on a daily basis, so he have to go out there go find something to do. You understand? So, he have him big old masters, but he can't get a job for him qualification. Where he going to sit down and dead for hungry? He have to go out there go do something where he qualify far more than doing. So that's why when we see them little students here want to reach somewhere, if you can put a $5, $10, $50 towards it, you don't want to say where you put it towards it or go towards. The best way of helping society right now, the poorer set of people, is to pooling together. Because me say you might can't find 100,000 figure, me can't find 100,000 figure for them reach them goal or whatsoever. The man they can't find it. But if you put a 10 or a 20 or a 5 or a 50 to how you have it, and we pool the resources. You know that if a man wants $1 million now for a life-saving surgery, that $1 million can come very easy. Just by one somebody putting even $1. Just saying, you know, one somebody put in $1. You know, if a million person put $1, is $1 million that? Who for pocket it jerk? Who for pocket I go feel jerk? None. Because you just put $1. But what? 1 million person pool the resources and give $1 each to make that $1 million. You understand? So pooling resources to help one another and each other is very good. And this man here should I use him platform to do something like that if he want to help Jamaica and love Jamaica as how him talk about Jamaica. And go on like him would have come put him life on the line for Jamaica. But what? As me say, enough of them just talk. No action towards it. Them just try, them in a little better space that who that Jamaica. So them come on platform and make it look and paint pictures. Like them want to see the best and them want to see better. What are you doing to see the best? Or to see better? Nothing at all. So Jamaican cartoon, that video the way you come out they never make no sense. To me, it don't make no sense. I only idiot I go believe what you say. Me not believe what you say. And I never believe it from first. Because it is clear to me. You understand? And my ears clean. So I understand and hear what you say and see where you reach and see where you point your finger. Alright? So come better on that, man. Come better on that. All of the love where you claim to say, them claim to say you're sure back then and whatsoever. Now make no difference now. It makes no difference now. May I tell you that? Anyway, my people, one little note before me go, because I say me not stay long. T-girl. Well, I don't know. I don't know what I'm to you rotted. I don't know what I'm to you, you know. I don't know what I'm to you. You're so anxious to see the back of the same one that me I talk about. That if somebody come tell you say one cow round this or say 99 80 you go believe. Remember now, you know, cow can't talk. Cow can't talk, but you're going to believe because 99 involved. People, before I go, make I read this. Blogs. Heads up. What? Tatania as lawyer up. I was contacted last week by a female who goes by the name Tatania in regard to clearing her name. The topic was about safe sex. She requested to ask my assistant to get the word out that she is not positive. To clear her name is not positive with the big A. Despite what was sensationalized elsewhere, Tatania further went on to express that she has intention to sue based on a suggestive post about her on other platform. Disclaimer, T-girl now write disclaimer. Tina Chin was granted permission. No, look like the woman write this disclaimer because she a different Tina now, you know. Disclaimer, Tina was granted permission to repost this retainer as public notification on Tatania's behalf. Tina Chin in no way suggested the lawsuit. Tatania asked my assistant to clear her name and Sigwal status. That's been a T-girl write this one. Cause see, the statement say Tatania asked my assistant to clear her name. So it come like a T-girl write this. See that? So T-girl, I don't know why you continue to follow up this story. And you have nothing to get from this story. And what you want to see happen now happen. Because there is no case in this lawsuit when I talk about on a tribunal. So just try to get your facts and your things them together and get your kitchen. When me see you have some little product, when me see you put out, where me I tell you, Jesus, peace, boy, me can't find it. Let me say me can't find it. All me can see some little cake throw down. See that this is all me can see. Watch it. This must be some sorrel sitting where she mix up and then she put it on top of the cake there, so then she put another layer. All we can see is the layer. We can't see when she bake the cakes. All we can see is icing. Same like how you can show where icing. Show when you put all kind of sitting upon the cake. Where we don't know where you put, because you don't show no ingredients or nothing. I see where we want you come show when you bake this. Not just when you're icing it. So this proof to the people them say, I know you are bake this stuff, because if you do bake them, why you can't show you when you bake them from scratch? Like how you can't come show when you're icing. So this is where you have to put your emphasis, put your hard work and time into your business and leave people business alone. T-girl, if you not do that, you're going to fall further and further each day. Speak my mind, people. As I say, I never come to stay long. Thanks for watching. Because I never plan for even do no video today. Thanks for watching again. Continue to support the channel. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel. Continue to support it. And please remember, continue to support the Young Entrepreneur College student. Hit our subscription button and give her a subscription if you have not yet subscribed. And support our business. Young Entrepreneur, customize things. Check out our website and order something. Tell her say me send you. You understand? Check out our business Instagram page. Charmed _and_ trends. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out.